Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set always on display in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, lock your screen. If you want to tap on it, some information like clock will be showing, okay, but it's not showing as of now because always on display is not enabled. Okay, if you would like to enable always on display, as you can do it, what you got to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen and wallpaper, and here select always on display and just turn on this button always on display, so that this display, that is clock, this clock will be showing on always on display. Okay, now lock your screen and one tap on it. Okay, lock your screen, one tap on it, you will see always on display. Okay, that is clock information. See here. So in this way you can easily enable or set always on display over lock screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.